Hi, I'm Ken Torino, and I'm here today to introduce the latest product from KTOR. It's our latest pedal generator. Our current product, the Power Box, has been very successful. We sold over 6,000, and the number one comment we get from customers is, can you please make a bigger one? And so we've been working the last 2 years, and now it's ready to go. So let me get right to it. This is the box it comes in, instructions on the top, and it's going to look like that. And this is a little spacer here, but don't throw this thing away, because you're also going to find inside it your cable to connect it to batteries. This is the main generator. These are the pedals, the support leg, and a very important plastic bag. And in this little compartment right here is where you're going to find the feet. So let me put it together for you, and then we're going to talk about its features and why this is such a huge improvement. The first thing is you take this pin out right here, slide the support leg in, and you put that pin back in. Now these are the feet, and if you look at the pins here, they're a little bit different. And one of the nice features that we've introduced in these is if you put them on top, they're going to slide pretty easy. And if you put them underneath, this little bump here is going to rub against these ribs. And that means it'll be hard to move, which is really good if you want to pedal for a long period of time. You don't want the vibration sliding these things out. So let me put the feet on. And as with our current Power Box, we strongly recommend that you use these holes right here to screw the unit down. And you can look at our videos for our current Power Box, because a lot of the features are the same, the feet are the same, and they have more detail videos and pictures of the pins and the screw holes. Now the cranks are a huge improvement. And the way they attach is it's a square peg and a square hole. And so that's a very, very strong attachment. And in this very important plastic bag I talked about, we've included the Allen wrench you're going to need to attach them. Guess I'm better at designing these things than I am opening these plastic bags. All right, there we go. Now included are two screws. There's a thick washer, there's a lock washer, and a screw. Put the crank on. You want to make sure that this is screwed down well and is very tight. And again, the lock washer goes closest to the head of the screw, and then the oversized flat washer. The other pedal goes 180 degrees from the previous one. And there you go, it's all set up. Now, what's different about this unit? Well, one thing you're going to notice right away is it's got a standard 12-volt outlet. And that means all these devices, and I've got a bunch of them here on the table, that have 12-volt connectors on them are going to work. What we've included in the unit is this one right here. So you can just plug in and you can attach this to your 12-volt battery. You just pedal and it charges it up. To make it easier for customers, we also have a number of accessories we're going to carry on our store. One of them is this 2-for-1. So you can plug in to your 12-volt connector, and now you have 2 connections, right? Another that we'll carry on our store is this has a 12-volt connector to 2 USBs, and they can go up to 3.1 amps. And it also has on it a display, and that display will give you voltage and amps, will show you your charging rate, and you can use it to just check the voltage and make sure that's good. We're also going to carry on our store 2 inverters. This one right here plugs right in. And we also have this is a 150 watt and this is a 300 watt. And we actually recommend the 300 watt one. I mean, both will work. And you know, when you're in a car, obviously you don't have these concerns, but when you're using human power energy, efficiency is important. And the 300 watt is a better unit. It's more efficient, so you'll get more power out, or the same power with less effort. So we do recommend the 300 watt unit, but both will work. The other thing that we're offering with these units, and one of the great things about this is designed, you can see with the alligator clips, to go directly to charging a battery. If you have a custom application, and we're already working with customers on this, where you need a different voltage and current, contact us, and usually we can do a custom unit. So for example, we have a customer that has a point of sale terminal that runs off a lithium battery, and he wants to charge directly to that lithium battery. So we've already provided him a sample at a different voltage and current regulation point, so you can go directly to that, that battery. So this is the unit that basically answers the question that everybody's given us. We love it. Please give us a bigger one. This is the bigger one. It's got an oversized, greater than 50 watt generator. It's regulated on the standard model to 14 volts and 3 amps, so that you can charge up to 3 amps directly on a deep cycle 12 volt battery. And you know, as we said, a full range of devices that are made to plug into automotive sockets will work, and we can do custom units as well. So we thank you very much for all the support from our customers and all the suggestions, because a lot of our best ideas come from customers that say, please can you do this, and we love hearing from you. So it's Ken Torino, thank you very much.